Hi, welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel, and today I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly add numbers in Excel. And believe me, it's really easy. So let's not waste any more time and let's do it. Excel offers us several ways to perform the counting, but these ways are more advanced. In this video tutorial, we're going to focus on the basic and easier way to add two numbers. We'll use this spreadsheet as an example to show the exact procedure. In columns A and B, we have written numbers. In row A plus B, we will see the result, thanks to the formula we are about to show. First, we choose the cell in which we want the result to be displayed. We choose cell D3. Now, we're going to put an equals sign in this cell. This is the signal to Excel that we want to enter the formula into the cell. As a next step, we click on the cell that contains the first number we want to add. In our case, this is cell B3 with the number 18. Now we have the next part of the formula after the equal sign. Link to cell B3. Next, we add a symbol to our formula for the mathematical operation we want to perform. We will add a plus sign. We click on the cell we want to add, in our case it is cell C3. There, we have the formula complete. All we have to do is press the Enter button to see the result. We can also use this formula for subtraction, multiplication, and even division in Excel. If we want to transfer the formula to other rows, we simply click on the cell in which we have already entered the formula and drag its lower right corner to all the rows where we want to display the result. And we're done. It was a piece of cake, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, let us know via a comment or like. Are you interested in other videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes, and I hope to see you in the next video.